Hey happy homemakers, welcome back. So today I'm really excited to share with you guys and give you a review on an app called Homer. This video is being kindly sponsored by them, and also they have sent me a link for you guys to start a free 30-day trial as well, which will help your kids fall in love with learning too. And it's free for 30 days when you use my link, which will be down below in the description box. What's really cool and unique about this app is your ability as the parent to completely customize the lessons and games specifically to your child's interests. So for Marcus, that's dump trucks, dinosaurs, bugs, anything like that he really loves, and he just has so much fun with it. He would play on it for hours if I would let him. Tie, tie. Very good. Good job. It's a really great way for the two of us to sit down together and learn, because he thinks it's just fun and he's learning so much faster and retaining so much more, and he doesn't know, I don't think he even realizes that he's actually learning something, and he's just so much more open to engaging with me and stuff. So it's just been a really cool way for us to sit down together and just kind of bond while he's learning something, which is going to be really valuable later on. But it's also really nice that it's simple enough, you can customize it to be simple enough where it's something that Marcus can do himself, because he doesn't know a whole lot of letters yet and he doesn't understand everything, but you can enter what your child's reading level is and how easy they need it to be, and the app will progress along with him as his reading skills do. But if I need to get ready in the morning or I need to get some cleaning done, it's really nice to be able to hand him the tablet and just feel guilt-free letting him sit there, because he's actually learning something, and I would much rather he did that than watching cartoons on TV. There's a variety of different activities and lessons that he can choose from. There's the lesson section where he learns about the sounds of the words and how to use them, and they do it in a really fun way. And it also has him record his own voice so that he learns how to say things as well, which is huge because he's kind of a little bit late on talking, and so this has been a really good way to get him to repeat sounds more, and he's actually been talking a lot more lately. And then it's also teaching him sight words already, little words like and no, which he can recognize by sight, and later on it's just going to help him read more fluently. And I think as a mom, observing him use this app has really helped me learn how to teach him a little bit more when we were reading a book together. The other day we were reading a book and it said the word no several times, and so he started being able to recognize that word. So I emphasized that word a little bit more, and soon enough he was able to point it out on the page, and so it's been helping me as well understand how to teach him better and learn how to engage with him more. There's also an art section where he can draw, and then games where he can play, but the cool thing I like about this is that he has to complete lessons before he can play a game. So I like how it balances the fun side with the learning, but honestly both are really fun for him and he loves them. There's also a song and rhyme section which highlights the words as they are being sung, and then there's a story time section which is just like going through a book, but it highlights each word that's being read, or you can have the child start reading them. So it really is an overall great way to teach your child early literacy, and it's also been proven that just 15 minutes a day of the child playing on this app, having fun, can help boost their early reading skills by 74%. Anyways, I just want to thank Homer for letting us try out this app. It's been so great as a mama watching Marcus have so much fun with the games on this app, but I can't tell you how proud it makes me to see him learning and growing so much. And I'm just thrilled at how much better he's getting at pointing out the letters and learning the sounds. It really has been amazing. He's only 2.5, but if he's going to be having screen time, then it might as well be something worthwhile like the Homer app. Once again, I will have that link down below to start the 30-day trial. I think that you and your kids will love Homer as much as we do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below and give this video a like if you did, and I will see you all very soon in my next one. Bye guys.